indicators.
Back to standard orange.
Lowering it.
Slam it on its arse.
And remember, whatever tickles your taste buds, Rtec.
Oh yes, R-Tec, the one-stop mod shop down in St Albans. Now, if these boys can't build you a cover car, nobody can. Absolutely stacked with the most gorgeous mods you've ever seen, and they've even driven a Porsche through the wall. They're just crazy, and they've got lots of chrome stuff and bumpers, yeah, and graphics with an X, and lots of audio, TVs, amplifiers, exhausts, and steering wheels. Man, you really have got the lot.
Oh, here comes our bag of shit.
We're just prepping the car at Rtec. We got wheels, we got tyres, fantastic new brakes, a head unit. We're going to graphic it up, and by the time it leaves here, it'll be transformed.
Yeah, you hope, mate.
As long as it's not pink.
As long as it's sweet into it. Is that an eyeball?
That
Oh,
was
my
an
lord.
eyeball. Ugh.
What's that about? Nice stereo. That really needs some work, mate, I'll tell you.
It's a bag of shit.
It is a bag of shit, absolutely. Let's hope these boys can sort it out. See, get rid of those old rims. You don't want them anymore. All curbed up and ruined. Yeah, it's crappy old stuff.
At the moment we're fitting the suspension kit. We're going to start with the rears. We're just about to put in the spring compressor, and we can start changing the springs and shocks.
Reconnecting all the ABS wires, putting all the brake pipes back in.
Next job on the list is going to be the exhaust.
That's it. Gently does it, fellas. Gently does it. Get in there. Yeah, a piece of cake.
Busy.
Well, it's a Golf GTI car, so we had the exhaust custom built by Predator Motorsport. It's worth about 200 quid. It's a nice little touch, and it just makes it stand out from the other motors.
No, that's sweet, man.
Right, exhaust is all done. We're going to start doing the brakes now. Just going to undo the reservoir, so it allows us to push the pistons back, and we can do the front and rear brakes.
Take the wrapper off first, mate.
Big discs for great braking potential. They're vented, which means they stay cool. We're fitting new pads to go with them, so in theory this car should stop like it's got an anchor.
Who makes them?
Don't know, mate. I got a clue.
One trimmed arch, ready to take 18-inch wheels. As you can see, nice sort of red at the bottom and smoked at the top. Matches the whole look of the car, the black bumpers, including the front clear lights as well.
Nothing goes wrong, everything's perfect.
Hasn't got orange flash and bulbs in it.
Yeah, I will. Oh, shake it, girlfriend.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, there she is, all done and dusted by the Rtec team. Looking awesome. You can take that baby cruising any night of the week, you know what I'm saying?
And it's not pink. Give yourself a cheer, boys.
Right then, boys, we have got one seriously slamming Civic right here for you. This is a definite contender for one of my top 10 modes.